based problems, miscellaneous exercise. So we'll complete that. So NCERT page 156, we have finished till example 23. Now we'll do 24th. So tell me, in how many ways can 5 girls and 3 boys be seated in a row so that no 2 boys are together? So you want 5 girls and 3 boys to be seated in a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 blank spaces. So how are you supposed to fill this? Tell me. So tell me. So what are the condition that is imposed? No 2 boys are together. So how many boys are there? 3 boys, right? B1, B2, and B3. So what are we
I have
supposed
a
to
doubt at this question.
do? Yeah, tell me.
So, sir, if no 2 boys are together, does that mean that if all the 3 boys are sitting together, it's counted or not?
It is not obvious. No 2 boys are together means. So it is not.
Okay, sir.
So how can you place them? If boy 1 is here, boy 2 will be here, and boy 3 will be here. So how many positions can the girls take?
5, sir.
One minute. Just a minute, right? Okay, sorry, I had some work. Tell me. So how to solve this question? So how many blank spaces do you have? 1, 2,
5,
3,
sir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 5 for boys. The question is total you have 8 blank spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in those 8 blank spaces, you need to ensure that 5 girls are placed in such a way that the boys are separated. So where can you place the girls? You can place them here. If you place the first girl here, the second girl can be here, third, fourth. Okay. So what about the fifth one?
She can be kept anywhere in any of the blank spaces.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Girls, just a minute. 5 girls, right? Hmm. Just like this. So tell me one thing. Do we need to use permutation or combination? Seated, is it arrangement or is it only selection?
Arrangement, sir.
It is arrangement. So we need to use permutation. So number of ways in which 5 girls can be arranged in how many ways? In 5 places will be equal to 5p5. That is nothing but 5 factorial ways. Right? The 5 girls can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. Now, how many blank spaces? So, what I'm trying to say is 1, let's say a girl is seated here, 2, girl, 3, girl, 4, girl. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you have this thing, or a girl can be placed here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have another girl and here. Okay. So the girl should be placed in this way. Now tell me, how many blank spaces do the boys have? So how many blank spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So
6.
in the 6 blank spaces,
No.
tell me.
How can there be 6 blank spaces, sir? It should
Because I'm
be.
ensuring that no 2 boys are together means one girl is separated from the other.
But sir, the
Okay.
last girl can be placed next to the second last girl, no, sir. And still the condition can be satisfied.
It can be satisfied, but we have to take all the conditions into picture. No? That is only a specific condition.
So for all the
But
conditions, this is the best.
yes, there is a way. So because see, when I want this condition to be exhibited, when I don't want the boys to be together, then what should I do first? I need to give positions to girls. So what is the best position that you can give to girls? Separating them.
Alternate.
You can separate them and have so that you give 6 blank spaces for the boys,
Boys.
out of which you need to arrange how many?
3.
Yes. Arranging 3 boys will be possible in how many ways? 6p3 ways. That is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorials. Okay. So what are the total number of arrangements possible? Total arrangements will be equal to 5 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Oh, sorry, I wrote NCR. NPR. It is this. 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So 5 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial is the answer. So it will be 5 into 4 into 6 factorial. So 6 factorial is 120. 120 into 4 is 480. 480 into 4, 48 fours is 144. Got it? Now let's see. Now tell me how to solve this. In how many words with or without meaning each of 2 vowels and 3 consonants can be formed from the letters of the word daughter? So how many vowels are there in daughter? A, U,
E.
E. 3 vowels. And how many consonants? Obviously, from 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8, 3 vowels are gone. So you have 5 consonants, right? So what is the requirement? So solution will be, out of the 3 vowels, you need to take any 2 vowels and arrange. That is 3P2 into, out of the 5 vowels 5 consonants available, you need to arrange 3. So 3P2 into 5P3. Can you guys understand what I did? So it will be 3 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which implies it is 3 factorial into 5 factorial by 2 is 5 into 4 into 3. So 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 6 is 360. Okay, so just a minute. So I've taken 3 and I've arranged. So totally, how many lettered words are they expecting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're expecting a 5-lettered word to be formed from 8 letters. So it is 3 factorial by see
Is it combination, sir?
actually what should happen is, see, first you need to choose them. I directly wrote it as 3P2. That's not the thing. So what you're supposed to do is listen. So how many vowels do you have in your hand? You have 3. Out of the 3, you need to choose 2. Am I right? And out of the 5 consonants you have, you need to choose 3. So once you do this, how many letters have you selected already? So first I have chosen. So I'll write it down. Listen. Choosing 2 vowels from 3 vowels can be done in how many ways? 3C2 ways. Accepted? Similarly, choosing 3 consonants from 5 consonants can be done in how many ways?
Sir, 3 vowels, sir.
I see
You
3.
wrote consonant.
They're saying 3 consonants are needed, no? So choosing 3 consonants from 5 consonants. You have 5 consonants available in your hand. From 5, how much do they need for the word to be formed? So what they're saying is, you need to form the words in such a way, the word that you form should have only two vowels and it should have only 3 consonants. For example, if you have used A and U, you cannot use E anymore. The remaining can be something like this. So what I'm trying to say is, you need to choose 2 vowels from where? From the available 3 vowels. How can you do that? That can be done in 3C2 ways. Similarly, you need to choose 3 consonants from how many consonants that are available? 5. So that's why I wrote it as 5C3. So this total thing can be done in 3C2 into 5C3. Accepted till here? Into the number of ways. So how many letters are there? 5 letters can be arranged among themselves is what? 5 factorial ways. So what will be the answer? It will be 3C2 into 5C3 into 5 factorial. Guys, are you able to understand or not? You want me to explain it again?
Could you explain the last part, that into number of ways in which 5 letters?
Okay, this part is clear, 3C2 and 5C3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, out of the 3 vowels I've chosen, but it is not necessary. They didn't mention anything about the position of the vowels. I can place A here. I can place A in any of the 5 positions. Okay. So you have chosen them. After choosing, you have to do the arrangements. So how many letters have you chosen from daughter? Daughter has 8 letters. From those 8 letters, how many letters did you choose?
5.
5. So those 5 letters which you have chosen, you have already satisfied the condition. The 5 letters that you have chosen can be arranged among themselves in how many ways?
5 factorial ways.
That's why I wrote it as 5 factorial.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, 3C2 into 5C2 is 5C3 is the selection process. Into 5 factorial is the arrangement process. Okay. Next. So, how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation at a time so that the vowels and consonants occur together? So, wherever you see this together, what are we supposed to do? You need to take everything as one object and then solve. Okay. So, equation is there, vowels and consonants. So, how many vowels are there? E, U, A, I, O. All the 5 are there. How many consonants are there? Q, T, and N. Is it satisfied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 letters, right? I've split them. So what are they trying to say? You need to form the words using all the letters in such a way they want the vowels to be together and consonants to be together. Okay. If I take all vowels together as one object and consonants together as one object, how many total objects do we have? So total objects are 2. So the 2 objects can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. Accepted? So is there any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Now tell me one thing. But there are 5 vowels available in your hand. You have tied everything and treating it as one object, right? But these objects among themselves can be arranged in how many ways? Vowels among themselves can be arranged in how many ways?
2 factorial ways.
Sorry?
5 factorial ways, sir.
Very good. In 5 factorial ways. Similarly, consonants among themselves can be arranged in.
3 factorial ways.
So what are the total words that are possible?
5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial.
5 factorial into
3 factorial into 2 factorial.
into 2
2
factorial.
factorial.
So 5 factorial is how much? 120 into 3 factorial is 6 into 2 factorial is 2. 12 into 2. So 12 into 12 is 144. 1440. Are you guys able to understand? So by now you should have understood how to handle the problems where you see this together concept. Okay. So what are the steps to be followed for this together problem? First, you take the objects which are to be together as one object. Okay, and the remaining as the different objects. So first you have to arrange those combinations by treating them as total and then have it as equation number 1. Then you try to arrange the objects in the bundle together. Okay. Then multiply everything, that will give you the answer. Now, third one. So a committee of 7 has to be formed from how many boys? 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways can this be done when the committee consists of exactly 3 girls? So first, we need to satisfy the condition, right? So should I use permutation or combination? Should I use permutation or combination, guys?
Combination, sir.
It is combination because you're only selecting. See, this is the only place where committee and formed. Generally, formed means permutation only. But committee and form come together, it is combination because it is a selection process. Okay, these are all the keywords, make a note of it. So solution is exactly 3 girls. So from the first part, what are we supposed to do? Satisfy the condition. How many girls are there? 4 girls. From the 4 girls, you need to choose exactly 3 and means multiplication. How many members are needed in the committee? 7. So out of the 9 boys available, how many boys will you choose? How many boys should you choose for the committee to get filled? Sorry?
4.
That's right. Because you have already chosen 3 people in the committee. So for the committee to get completed, you need 4 more persons. The 4 more persons are supposed to be boys. Second, at least 3 girls. So how to solve this? From the 4 girls available, you can choose 3, and from the 9 boys available, you can choose 4. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or you can choose all the 4 girls and you can choose
3 boys.
the remaining 3 to be boys. I hope you guys can write the explanation in the exam.
Write the
Third,
explanation in words, no, sir.
yeah, you have to write. See, whatever you write, from the 4 girls, we need to choose 3 girls. That can be done in 4C3 ways. So from the 9 boys, the remaining 4 boys can be selected. That can be done in the 9C4
Okay.
ways for the committee to get completed. Or, that is why this is for or. Then you have to write for this thing. Okay, at most 3 girls means you can choose no girl. You can choose no girl and all the 7 to be boys, or you can choose 1 girl and all the remaining to be boys, or you can choose 2 girls and the remaining to be boys, or you can choose 3 girls and the remaining to be boys. Got it? So 4C3 into 9C4. Shall I move on to the next one? If the different permutations of all the letters of the word examination are listed as in dictionary, how many words are there in the list before the first word starting with E? It's similar to that problem, no? We did again something. Okay, but here it is a slightly bigger word, examination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 blank spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? So they want us to write everything in the dictionary order. So what is the first letter you will be filling in the left side?
Yes, sir.
So if you put A here, A is getting repeated how many times? So any
times.
repetition? Any repetitions there?
Yes, sir.
A 2 times. Then
N 2 times.
that's it.
Yes, sir. I, sir. I
So
is also repeated 2 times.
I is also 2 times. That's it, right? X is not there, and okay. A I is also. Oh, that's it. Now see, if you have put the first A here, then how many blank spaces do you have?
Blank spaces, sir.
You have 10 blank spaces. In those 10 blank spaces, you have N repeated twice and I repeated twice. So how many words can be formed? Number of words that can be formed starting with A is equal to 10 factorial divided by
Factorial into 2 factorial.
2 factorial into 2 factorial. I wrote it only twice because when I have fixed A here, the other A will be treated as a different object.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so don't put one more 2 factorial, that is wrong.
Understood.
So after A, what will you put? What is the next letter that is there in the?
E, sir.
So what are they saying? How many words are there in the list before the first word starting with E? So there is the answer. Okay,
Sir,
means
they say before I, that means you have to include E and add it with A.
yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Here. Moving on to the next one. How many 6-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, which are divisible by 10 and no digit is repeated? So if a number has to be divisible by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you need a 6-digit number. How many numbers you have in your hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there in your hand. So if a number has to be divisible by 10, what should be filled in the units place?
0, sir.
Only 0. Okay. So this is a condition which is fixed. And no digit is repeated means how many blank spaces you have?
5, sir.
So what will be the answer? Remaining 5. And you have how many numbers in your hand? Remaining 5 numbers can be arranged in
5 factorial.
5 blank,
Five
that's
blank
it,
spaces.
5 blank spaces in 5 factorial ways. That will be 5 into 4, 20, 60, 60 into 2, 120. Is it clear? So moving on to the next one. Next. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many words with 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants can be formed from the alphabet? So how many lettered word are they expecting? So how many lettered word are they expecting? It should contain 2
4,
vowels.
sir.
It's a 4. So how many vowels are there? From the 5 vowels, you need
Select 2 words.
to choose 2, and from the 21 consonants, you need to choose 2. So you have done the choosing process. Now what are you supposed to do into? How many words have you chosen? How many letters have you chosen?
4, sir. 4
So the 4
factorial.
letters among themselves can be arranged in 4
Four
factorial.
factorial.
I hope it is clear. So the meaning of this is choosing two vowels from five vowels. Choosing moving on to the next one. So there are five more questions. 13, 14, 15, 16, 5 more. So seventh one. In an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2, containing 5 and 7 questions respectively. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. In how many ways can a student select these questions? So totally how many questions are to be solved? 8. So total questions available are 12. But they have to
Yes.
solve only 8 questions. Right? But the other condition that is imposed is at least 3 from each part are to be selected. Okay. So the solution is, tell me, if he's selecting 3 from part 1, so part 1 available are 5,
5.
7. Correct? Selection. If he's selecting 3 questions from part 1, how many should he choose from part 2? That so that he is required to attempt only 8 questions. He should not write more than 8. That is it.
5,
So he
sir.
needs to choose 5. That can be done in how many ways? 5C3 into
7C5.
7C5. Accepted. So similarly, since they told at least, he can do 4 questions from this. So it will be 5C4.
4.
And here how many questions? Into 7C4.
7C4.
Right? Or he can choose 5 from here. It will be 5C5. Then here he will choose 3. It will be 7.
7C3.
So what is the required answer? He can choose 3 questions from the 5 and 5 from 7, or he can choose 4 from 5 and 4 from 7, or he can choose all the 5 from here and the remaining 3 from here. So if you solve this, that will be the required answer. Is there anyone having a conceptual doubt?
How can we choose the last, sir?
How can we choose? I didn't get your question. How can you choose what?
How can we choose the last one, sir? 5C5.
This one, huh? 5C. See, they told at least 3 questions, right? What are the maximum questions that are there in part 1? 5.
5.
So when it is at least 3, he can either choose 3, 4, or at the max 5 also.
Sir, at least means maximum 3 and the minimum.
That is at most. At most.
At least means it should be greater or equal to
At least means minimum 3. It can be minimum 3 or greater than 3. So minimum 3 or greater than 3. So 3 or 4 or maximum 5.
Oh, so at most means below, sir.
At most means, yes, at most means below. So I think we did a problem, no? At most somewhere. Where was it?
Little bit up.
At most. So at most means less than or equal to.
Okay, sir.
I hope you guys copied it. Next. Determine the number of 5-card combinations out of a deck of 52 cards if each selection of 5 cards exactly has 1 king. It's a good question. So determine the number of 5-card combinations out of 52 cards if each selection of 5 cards has exactly 1 king. So first you need to implement the condition and then satisfy the remaining. Solution is, what is the important condition here? Out of the 5 cards, exactly one should be king. So how many kings are there actually?
4.
4.
So out of the 4 kings, you will choose one. And how many cards are remaining in the deck?
48.
It is
51.
40. No, it is not 51. The 51, there will be other kings also, no? So you have selected one king, you should keep it aside. And remaining 48, we need to choose how many?
4.
4, sir. 48.
48 C4. 4C1 into 48 C4 is the answer.
Sir, why is there only one way we have to choose? You can do like 4C2 into 48C3 also, sir.
That is exactly.
Oh.
That what you are saying can be done when it is at least.
Okay, sir.
So this is choosing one king from 4 kings. This is choosing a non-king card, 4 non-king cards from 48 available cards. 9th one. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women in a row so that the women occupy the even places. How many such arrangements are possible? So, since women has to occupy the even places, men has to occupy the odd place. Man, 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 and man. So first position, second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Is man occupying odd positions? Yes. How many even positions are available?
4.
So 4 women can be seated in 4 even positions in how many ways?
4
4 factorial.
factorial base. 4
4
factorial.
factorial. That's it. So 4 factorial is 24. So answer will be 24 ways. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So 2 more problems. See, this chapter needs a lot of practice. Okay. So 10th one. From a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. Okay. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will join. In how many ways can the excursion party be chosen? Did you guys understand? So there are 25 members available, out of which for an excursion only 10 are allowed. In those 10 also, there are 3 students who decide that all the 3 want to go together. If anyone is being dropped, the others will also get dropped. Means none of them will go together. It's an either or case. Then how many ways the excursion party can be chosen? Chosen means combination. So how do we do?
25,
First,
15C3.
So tell me the logic first.
so first we'll select, like we'll find all the possible ways with the 3 students coming.
Okay.
And then we'll
So
find
you
all
want
the
to say
possible
when
ways
all the 3
are coming.
are coming. Okay. When all
And
3 are
then with all the 3 not coming,
okay. When all the
then
3
we
are
multiply.
coming. Yes. Not multi.
And we add.
You have to add because it's an either or case. When
Yes.
all 3 are coming is a case. So different cases means addition.
Okay.
Within the same case, multiplication. Okay. So
Yes.
all 3 are coming means, right? All 3 are coming. Then that can be done in how many ways?
25 C3.
No. Only in one way.
22.
That is only one way. It is only one way, da.
Oh.
Because all are coming is only one combination. out of the 3, all the 3 are coming.
Sir, so can we write 22C7, sir?
That is when others are chosen. Yes. When all 3 can come in one way. So remaining how many? When all the 3 are coming, how many blank spaces are there? Remaining 7 can come from how
20,
many?
22.
Yes. 22 in 22C7 ways.
Yes.
Correct. So answer will be 1 into 22C7 is one combination. Let this be equation number 1.
So next to
Similarly,
C10, sir.
all 3 are not coming. Tell me. That is also possible in one way only.
22C10.
Yes. Remaining 10 can come from 22 in 22C10 ways. Correct? So either 1 is possible or 2 is possible. So answer will be 22C7 or 22C10. I hope you guys are clear with this.
Sir.
11th one. In how many ways can letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S's are together? So, repeated letters. A, how many times is it repeated? 1, 2,
3, sir.
so 3. S is repeated.
4.
4 times.
Then is there anything? I is repeated.
I is repeated twice and N is also repeated twice.
Now tell me, how many ways can the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together? So how many letters first of all do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13 letters. In those 13 letters, what is the condition that is imposed on? All the S are together, right? If you tie all the S together, how many S are there in your hand?
4.
If you tie all the 4 S together, it will be treated as one object. Then how many are the remaining objects?
9.
Yes. Are tied together as one object. The remaining objects are 13 minus 4, that is 9. So what are the total objects present now? Total objects are 9 plus 1, that is 10.
10.
So the 10 objects can be arranged among themselves in how many ways?
10 factorial. 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial
Yes.
into 2 factorial.
Can be arranged among themselves in 10 factorial ways divided by
3 factorial into 2
into 2
factorial.
factorial into 2. Very good. Right. Now what will you do to this thing? When you arrange the 4s together among themselves, it is treated as one combination only. So
Into 4 factorial.
no. If you will write it as 4, see this is why I want to explain. You will write it as 4 factorial if they are different objects. All the s are the same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when you tie them as one object, the 4s can be arranged among themselves only in one way because all are identical. So the required answer is this only.
Okay, sir.
Since all the s's are identical, they can be arranged among themselves in how many ways? One way, because they are identical. That's the reason. But in other questions, what is having? Each vowel is different from other. That is why we wrote 4 factorial.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. So that is how you solve. I think we have done end to end of this chapter, right? And you guys have worked on the assignment also. Did you guys work on the remaining part of the assignment on combinations also?
Yes, I had doubts, but it's cleared now, sir.
It's clear? Okay. Then fine. So we'll do one thing. You guys take time, solve it, and come up with doubts. I'll clear it maybe this week or next week also I can do it. So tomorrow I'll start with binomial theorem. So binomial theorem needs combination concept. Okay. And this week there will be a test also, which I will inform by tomorrow, which chapter again.
What lesson, sir?
Mostly you'll have permutation and combination.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this chapter test only.
Okay,
So I
sir.
will tell you what date. Okay. So 1 minute.
So what about linear inequalities, sir?
Linear inequalities also we can have. I'll tell you. But this chapter is more important because you need to understand how to solve. I just want to test it. Okay. So just wait for a minute. Don't leave.